Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to TMP Finance, where we make long and short-term investing simple. Today we had a very exciting day, moving up 0.37%, even though we have all this volatility, which is so crazy. So the market is starting to slow down. We've had a huge drop in volume ever since this huge 12.34% day on April 9th. So right now, I think we're just in this consolidating range before we move either for another leg lower in the NASDAQ or until we break up and we start moving towards these all-time highs. Now, before we talk about that, let's talk about the fear and greed index, and we're currently sitting at a 21, still in extreme fear, but we are recovering from yesterday's day. And let's take a look at the heat map over here, and we can see that it's very mixed. Technology is mostly in the red. I know NVIDIA did have a little bit of a drop today as well, and Google, but you know what, it's nothing to be concerned of. Again, right now is a fantastic time to be averaging down on your trading if you haven't done so already. And yeah, you know what, this is going to be a point where I believe if we see a lot of strength in the market, we will never return back down to this point. So if you are interested in, catching a really good position, this is the place to do it. This is the time to do it, especially when we get this break of resistance over here. Now, let's talk about the two scenarios you're looking for when it comes to buying and shorting the market. Let's talk about the bullish scenario right over here. So the bullish scenario is going to look like this. It's going to be a break of this resistance line over here, and that's where we're going to start heading up all the way up to these all-time highs over here. Now, a safe place to take profit is going to be that 20,000 psychological level. This is a very strong support where we've had a lot of contact in the market, so you can look to collect profit there if you are leveraged with your trading positions, or if you are looking for something safe and short term. But the chances of us moving to all-time highs before we move down lower, the chances of us moving to all-time highs before we move any lower than this point is very, very slim. So this is a great risk to reward ratio that you can have, where you're placing this trade over here. You have your take profit all the way up at these all-time highs, or you're letting them run past all-time highs, making new all-time highs, and you have this kind of stop loss right below the swing. Or if you want to be a little bit more aggressive, you have it right at this current resistance line that we're at right now at 18,100. So that is what you are looking out for if you are a bull in the market. If you are a bear, this is what you are looking out for over here. You are looking out for a break of this support line over here, but you want to see more of a long-term confirmation, as I said in yesterday's video. I'm looking for a break on the 4-hour chart or on the 1-day chart, and that's what we're going to start moving down to this support line over here, or we start breaking down even lower and we start making another leg lower in this series of lower highs and lower lows in the market. So over there, you are going to get very good risk to reward ratios for those trades. So keep an eye out. Don't get in the market too early. Just wait for the market to give you confirmation and then place your trades based on that. And you know what, this is going to be a very short video today. There's really not much to say. Market hasn't really changed too much since yesterday. We'll look at our top 3 holdings over here, and yeah, quick little analysis of my chart and what you can be looking out for when it comes to support and resistance breaks. But right now we are in a bit of a consolidating range, but the thing I like the most about these ranges is that the tighter they get, the more explosive of a move you have, and if you're a trader, that volume is exactly what you're looking for. So keep your eyes out for that. Keep an eye out for the break of this range over here with this falling resistance line and this support line. If you are interested in becoming a better trader and getting more profitable when it comes to trading, come take a look at the link in the description, wap.com/tmp-finance, and from there you'll get access to our exclusive Discord community. And from there, we're currently beating the market by about 25% here, a little bit more than 25% here, and that's before our 9 times leverage. Again, I don't expect everyone to leverage, it's all about comfort level, but we are making some serious returns here, and you'll get access to all the trade alerts we take, free one-on-one sessions when it comes to learning how to trade like me and becoming a better trader and learning all the behind the scenes. And you'll also get hot stock picks for every month when it comes to these long-term swing trades, because again, diversity is going to be key when it comes to your portfolio. And I'm not just talking about diversity when it comes to your investments, but also for the length of your investments, not just the type. But anyways, that is all for today. If you are interested, come take a look at us in the description. But I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, so best of luck, and I will see you then. Peace out, y'all. Later.